Our home has always been quite famous for our cuisine. Every region has its specialities. Not only every region, but every household has its own specialities and its own twist to recipes. So that is what our cuisine is all about. There are recipes that have been passed down from my grandfather's time. So my mother, because of popular demand, a lot of guests asking for various recipes, she penned down a few recipes that we served in Rohet. One secret ingredient, which is very much Marwar, is the kachri powder. So we in Rajasthan make a vegetable out of it when it's fresh, or we cut it and dry it. We made various things, like gattas and rabodi and the buddy. I love food. So I know when things are right and when they're not.